creative kitties, it's me, and today I just wanted to share with you all how excited I am about this new era on my channel. And I actually started this channel with the intense desire to help other creative souls shine their unique awesomeness onto the world while building their own impactful and profitable brands. And the response has honestly been so humbling, you guys. I love reading and replying to each and every single one of your comments on my videos. And I'm just completely humbled by the fact that me sharing some simple creative tips and tricks is really helping fellow creators, designers, podcasters, and business owners just grow their brands and their online presence. So really, from the bottom of my heart, I just want to thank you all so much for joining me on this journey. I actually wanted to celebrate this moment, this new era that I'm stepping into, by upgrading my phone, which I've had for the last 5 years, so it was kind of necessary for me at this point, and I'm super excited about this, to be honest. Right now I'm just kind of exploring its new features and different options that it has, because this is a new brand for me, so I know that there's going to be a bit of a learning curve here, but it's okay. I know I'll eventually figure it out. Even though this is a new brand for me, I honestly chose it because the design is just so aesthetically pleasing and its tech specs were exactly what I was looking for. Just a few days ago, I shared this poll on my community tab asking you guys to choose your favorite topic for our next tutorial, and you guys were so sweet. I'm very inspired by your answers, and honestly just very excited to create this new tutorial along with you guys. In the next few days, I'll be sharing a new post to know what kind of visual style and aesthetic you guys want to see and just create together on this new tutorial. And in case you're watching this video at a later time, just make sure to check the description box, because I'll be sharing the link to this new tutorial as soon as it's live. The world needs you, beautiful. Always remember that.